The Benagil Cave is one of the most incredible natural wonders of Portugal, located along the picturesque Algarve coast. This sea cave is a true geological marvel that has to be seen to be believed. Let's dive in and explore this fascinating natural wonder. The Benagil Cave was created through a gradual process of erosion, primarily driven by the pounding waves of the Atlantic Ocean. The cave's formation can be traced back millions of years, when the area was submerged under the sea. Over time, the continuous action of waves and tides carved into the soft, sedimentary cliffs, creating a series of sea caves and grottos. The unique geology of the region, with its layers of limestone, sandstone, and other sedimentary rocks, made it particularly susceptible to this erosive process. The cave system expanded, causing the cave's roof to collapse in certain areas. This allowed sunlight to pour in through the newly formed openings, creating the dramatic skylight effect that the Benagil Cave is famous for today. The cave's unique features, including its skylight opening, are a testament to the power of nature. To reach the cave, we'll be taking a small boat tour from the nearby town of Carvuero. As we approach, you can already make out the cave's distinctive shape and that tantalizing beam of light spilling in from above. The only way to fully experience Benagil is by entering through a narrow waterway entrance when the tide is right. Once inside, you're immediately struck by the cave's immense size and incredible acoustics. The 20-meter-tall ceilings arc overhead, while sunlight filters down through that central skylight opening onto the small beach below. The rays dance along the water, reflecting off the ripples in brilliant shades of blue and green. But it's that iconic skylight that really takes your breath away. Measuring around 6 meters across, it frames a perfect circle of sky in sharp contrast to the cool dimness of the cave. Sunbeams stream through this natural skylight, creating an almost supernatural atmosphere. It's no wonder Benagil is considered one of the most photogenic sea caves on Earth. As our boat edges cautiously forward, you can make out the finer details, craggy alcoves, wave-worn textures, and patterns that reveal centuries of erosion's artistry. You can't help but feel incredibly small amidst the grandeur of these ancient rock formations. The Benagil Cave is truly a testament to the wonders of nature and time. To experience this magnificent grotto is to connect with the primordial forces that shaped our world. Benagil's beauty is 100% pure, powerful, and eternal. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Algarve coast. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.